Yeah.
Introduce yourselves.
Hi. I'm Brother Jay. Brother Tucker.
Where are we going?
What
Tell
a
them where
dork.
we're going.
Hey, Other Jay, inform us as to where we're going.
We're going to a castle. Big one. That's enough.
Okay, that was really stupid. Okay, we are now inside Spišský hrad. They let us be alone. This is just some display stuff. I don't know. Big night. Taking pictures. This is a big gun. Ancient cannon thing. Swords. More knights. Other Prescott's trying to hide. So we'll get a little bit more for you outside.